What have you always done, but later found out was gross? 1. All my life I wiped my toothbrush on the hand towel to dry it up until my sister asked what the fuck I was doing. 2. As a child I would dig up bits of clay from the local sandbox. It wasn't as good as Play-Doh, so I would cast it aside and continue digging. Maybe I didn't have a very good sense of smell at that age, because I was well into adulthood before I realized it was probably cat shit. 3. When I was like 5 or 6 years old I would love going to the grocery store with my mom because the vegetable and fruit and meat tables always had the best ice to chew on. 4. Not washing behind ears. Once you start you can't go back. You feel absolutely filthy. 5. Wait until a towel smelled weird to swap it out. Look, the towel forgets everything before the next shower. 6. Chewing on fingernails. Haven't done it in decades but once upon a time. 7. I pick my nose, privately then wash my hands. I just can't deal with a clogged nose and my fingers work better than a tissue ever could.